Hey, Josh here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade from a free to premium subscription on Charge. Currently, I'm using the free Charge subscription. It's pretty great. I mean, I get access to features like bulk sending, custom variables, and leads management, plus the delivery rate is top notch. But I'm thinking it's time for an upgrade. With a premium subscription, I can actually enjoy unlimited sending, tweak delay settings, integrate with my CRM, and best of all, there won't be any watermark in the emails being sent. So as you can see, these settings are blocked for free users. So how do I upgrade? Honestly, it's really simple. I can click the upgrade button, which can be found here or here. Now we're on the upgrade page. I see that they're using Stripe as their payment gateway, which gives me a lot of confidence about the security of my payment. So on this page, I can see two options, free and premium. The premium subscription is just $9.99 a month, which seems like a great deal for all the extra features I'll be getting. Now all I have to do is fill in my payment info and I'm good to go. And that's it. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And if you're looking to upgrade your Charge subscription, I hope this video has been helpful. Happy emailing.